Let's learn about the types of sentences. People have different feelings, thoughts, and ideas. They express them in different types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences according to meaning or purpose. 1. Telling sentence. It tells a statement or expresses a fact or an opinion. It ends with a period. Examples: I love my family. It expresses a statement. Butuan is one of the cities in Caraga. It expresses a fact. Butuan is a nice place. It expresses an opinion. 2. Asking sentence. It asks a question. It ends with a question mark. There are kinds of questions. Look at the examples. Do you like stories? Did you read stories? Are you reading with your cousins? These are examples of yes or no questions. Yes or no questions may begin with do, did, am, is, are, was, and where. When asking yes or no questions, use the rising intonation at the end. Listen again. Do you like stories? My voice rises at the end part of the question. Another kind of question. What is your favorite movie? Where did you watch it? When did you watch it? These are examples of information questions. They may begin with how and WH words. When asking information questions, use the following intonation. Listen again. What is your favorite movie? My voice goes down at the end part of the question. 3. Commanding sentence. It gives a command or request. It ends with a period. Look at the examples. Turn off the TV. Notice that the sentence begins with a verb. Most commanding sentences begin with the verb or the base form of the verb. You do not see a subject. It is understood that the subject is the pronoun you. This is an example of a command. We can also say, please hand me the remote, or kindly pass the rice. To be polite, we use the words please and kindly when expressing request. 4. Exclaiming sentence. It expresses a strong feeling like surprise, excitement, and happiness. It ends with an exclamation point. Have you experienced feeling strong feelings? How do you express your strong feelings? Here are some examples. I won! Some exclaiming sentences may also begin with what and how and are followed by adjectives. Look at the examples. What a pleasant surprise! It begins with the word what, followed by the adjective pleasant. How touching the story was! It begins with the word how and followed by the adjective touching. These sentences express strong feeling. Remember, a sentence can be understood depending on its idea or thought, even without punctuation marks. Just like, did you enjoy watching with your family? But to write a sentence correctly, begin with a capital letter and end with the right punctuation mark. Did you enjoy watching with your family? It now begins with a capital D and ends with a question mark because it is an asking sentence.